What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It would help me out so much. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys an update on my Bobcat 300 miner. Just a 1 week update to see what's going on right now. I know everything crashed. The crypto market crashed. The housing market is going down. The stock market's going down. Everything's pretty much going down right now. So I just want to give you guys a 7-day, 1 week update on my crypto, on my Bobcat miner. So let's go ahead and begin. Alright guys, we are here on my phone right now. Check this out, okay? So today's date is July 2nd, and we're going to do a live 1 week update on my Bobcat miner. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it up. Helium. Let me go ahead and log in real quick. Alright, let's see. Hotspot is online. Good. So right now in total I have 5 HNT tokens, and keep in mind I've been mining for a while now, for a few months. Okay, so let's see, I've been mining 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 2 days, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 4 days, 5 days, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. Alright, so that should stop around right about here. Okay, here we go. So that's how much wood I've been mining for the past 7 days. Okay guys, oh there we go. Let's see how much. Let's click it right here. Total, what I have in total in here is $53.70. So a lot of people always ask me, is it still worth it to mine HNT token, right? Right now we're in July 2nd, 2022. Is it still worth it? At the current price of HNT, I would not mine it, all right? But that's just me. But if you're trying to just mine, just trying to get your feet wet, just trying it out, trying to get into mining, this is a good beginner miner, okay? The Bobcat 300 miner is very user friendly, very beginner friendly, and it was so easy to set up. It took me, I think, 1 to 2 hours, because it's my first time and I wasn't really good at setting up everything and all this tech stuff. So as you guys can see right here, 0.10, 0.05. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a horrible math right now for you guys, just to let you guys know how much I've earned. So 4 cents of 5, all right, 12, 14. Whoa, I got 42 right there. So that one's pretty good. So 15. So let's call that. I'm just gonna round it up, guys. This is not exact math. Okay, so 60. Let's call that 70 cents. All right, 80, 90. So in 7 days, I made about $1, guys. Okay, so that is horrible, and the real reason for that is because the crypto market has been going down so much, just like with everything, including the stock market has gone down by so much. I think crypto is down by 80 to 90%. It's down by so much, guys. So if you have HNT just like me, and I've just been holding it at $53 now and there, just hold it, guys. You don't have to sell. My plan is to sell when the market goes back up. So hopefully this 5 HNT that I have right now, see right there, 5 HNT, I'm hoping that it'll be worth $30 when I sell it, because I believe right now it's at $10 a piece, and I will not sell right now, guys. Okay, let's see how many people are in my hexagon. So there are 4 people in my hexagon, and just to let you guys know, your earning potential is determined by how many people are in your hexagon and how many people have tall antennas in your hexagon. So let me click it. Let me see. Sorry guys, it's been a while since I've used this app. Mini Banana Chipmunk. Okay, this guy has 3 dBi, and let's see what else we can pull from here. Here we go. So there are 4 total here. Let's see what else we can see. We can spot from here. I'm trying to do something with this app. But all right, guys. So in summary, I made roughly with my horrible math, I did about $1 this week. So $1 a week. So it'll be $4 every month. That could pay for a portion, like 1/3 of your Netflix, which is very funny, not too bad. But if you're thinking about buying a Bobcat miner, just keep in mind that it will take 6 to 8 months for your miner to arrive, and maybe by the time your miner arrives, the crypto market finally recovered. But we never know. But just make sure if you do buy your Bobcat miner, it will take 6 to 8 months, and this is the potential earnings that you will come across to. But remember, if you start earning HNT, you don't have to sell it. Just hold it, just like I am. I've been mining for 4 to 6 months, and I've been holding it. I've just been holding it right here. All right, guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.